Welcome folks, got a beauty for you here today. You might see my other videos. I've done some work with my JJRC selfie drone, epic little unit. I'm just waiting on some spares for this unit. I've just purchased another top cover for it, another motor and another gear because I had a little problem with it. Check my other videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. So what have we got here today is a quick unboxing of the bronze one. Which I purchased somewhere in China it came from. These drones are that good I decided to buy two of them. So let's check this one out. See what we got. Hopefully you got what we paid for. It's looking pretty good. JJRC H47. Oh, we've got the right box ticked. She's made in China. As you know from my last videos too, guys, I'm pretty happy with this H47 drone. Straight out the bag. Super robust little unit. Looks the same. There we go. JJRC H47. Comes with the battery intact. Looks pretty good. Manual. Some spare props. Screwdriver. USB charger, no drama, and of course our standard controller, which makes this thing pretty easy to control, and especially for the kids. And you got your 720p camera at the front there, which is adjustable. And there we have it. So I'm going to have a fly of this in a bit. Instructions. So what I want to do with you guys today is get an opinion from you guys. Which do you think's better? The blue, the bronze, or my latest favourite drone, the Eachine. And if you don't say the Eachine, then well, 6 of one, half of the other. These are pretty cool. These units here, they can be smashed and bashed around. I gave mine a fair old knocking, which is why it's packed in. But I was really too rough with it, so yeah, I can't rave about these enough. The Eachine again is pretty cool. But if you looked at one of my most recent videos, you'll see I had a little bit of a problem with my Eachine, in that I broke one of the gear shafts, which is this one here. You can see that's broken. So check the link up on the screen now, up there, insert link here, and you'll see a video of me repairing this. So if you guys want to know how to fix a problem with these blades, yeah, go up to that link and have a squeeze. But anyway, yeah, take a poll which you reckon's better out of these three. Of course, you're going to have to have flown them. Myself personally, the Eachine. Okay, put that aside. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take out an Eachine, land it on my landing pad, and have a quick fly. Okay. Just a quick unboxing, two different coloured JJRCs and a quick comparo. Stay tuned for more videos and more cool, interesting things relating to drones. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye for now.